So basically I'm just going to show you how to make it so it's right to go on your head, and also change the part line. So when you get it, just a simple spray bottle of water, give it a bit of a spray. So I'm just going to scoop my comb through the middle to where I want my part. So I do the best that I can. Okay, so I'm just going to use a bit more water too. So once you've got your part where you want it to be, make sure that you've got enough spray water on there to hold it. And I'm just going to spray the ends lightly as well, just so we can blow dry those out. Might just run a paddle brush through there. Okay, so I just blow dry that till it's dry, which has now set that part into the centre, as you can see there. So that is, as you can see already, just with that wee spritz of water and the hairdryer, it has taken a lot of those kinks out. And I'm just going to take section by section. It's a beautiful colour, this light permafrost it is, with a light root. I think that's looking pretty good. And there you have it, guys, that is all done. So all those kinks are now gone, ready to wear with some beautiful layers in there. And that's it, pretty simple. So I'm just going to spray a decent amount through my hair and then comb that through, just making sure it's evenly distributed through my hair. Back through it, make sure there's no knots in there. So that's my hair now prepped for my hair topper, my upgraded Courtney hair topper. Through that, just because it's been sitting on my mannequin and just in case there's any wee knots or things that have gone through it, that's all good. Line up that part line and then snap your clips in. Just going to brush my own bio here, up and over into it. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's it. All ready for the day.